In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status in Jira. If you want your board to reflect the real stages your team works through, adding a custom status can make Jira much easier to manage. This is especially helpful when the default workflow doesn't fully match your review process, testing stages, or deployment flow. The good news is that Jira gives you built-in tools to adjust this without making the process overly complicated. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top navigation bar, click Projects, and open the project where you want to make the change. This takes you into the workspace connected to the board and workflow you'll be updating. After the project loads, move to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find Project Settings. Click that to open the administrative options for the project. This is where Jira keeps the controls related to board structure, workflow behavior, and status configuration. When the settings area opens, look through the menu on the left for board or columns. In some Jira setups, especially team managed projects, this is where you can directly adjust the status columns. In company managed projects, you may need to open workflows instead so you can edit the workflow diagram itself. Once you select the right area, Jira will open the workflow or board editing view. Now you're ready for the main action. In the editing interface, look near the top for the button labeled Add Status or Add Column and click it once. This creates a new field where you can define the status you want to add. Type in the name of your new status clearly and keep it easy for your team to understand at a glance. For example, you might use something like design review, UAT testing, or blocked depending on your process. After naming it, choose the category that best matches the purpose of the status. Use to do for work that hasn't started, in progress for active work, or done for completed work. Picking the right category helps Jira display the status correctly on your board and in reports. Before saving, take a moment to verify that the new status fits correctly into the workflow. Make sure issues can move into it and out of it in a way that makes sense for your team. This quick check can prevent confusion later. Finally, go to the top right area of the screen and click Save or Update Workflow. Jira will apply the change, and your new status will become available in the project workflow. That's it. You've successfully added a status in Jira, and your board should now better match the way your team actually works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.